Good morning. This is C. Arvindan, register number UR16CS136. So this is our first experiment for the web technology lab that is working with HTML5 tags. So the main objective of this whole experiment is that we have to use all kinds of tags which are being used in HTML. So this is a HTML page which has been opened here, which starts from doc tag HTML. The reason why we use this tag is so that we can know that this whole format can be viewed in any kind of devices. So doc tag basically converts the whole HTML page into compatible for other devices. So from here the HTML tag starts, and this is a header section where we can give a title, and we can link external or internal CSS or JavaScript pages. So in the outside of header tag, here we are starting the body part. So body section is body tag is used so that we can add all kinds of other material like heading or linking any other page, or if we want to like embed our iframe, a video, image, anything can be inserted inside the body tag. So I have given a color of PG color. This is a hexadecimal value which gives almost like a violet color. So this tag is a H1. H1 is a heading tag. So the tags are basically from H1 to H6. So the H1 tag is the most biggest one, and followed by till H6. So I am aligning the tag, heading tag, to the center and giving it an ID S1 and naming it as heading. So this is a second heading. This is slightly smaller than this heading, and I'm giving another subheading which is of font size 1. This is styling. Styling is usually we can do in two types, like we can either do with our own HTML or we can do it with CSS. So this is a paragraph which we are using with the p tag, and this is a division tag. A division tag is like a block, small block, which inside which we can like embed anything. So here inside 3 division tag, I am like inserting 3 link. This is a anchor tag. So I am like referencing to a mail. So how we can reference a mail? Using href is equal to mail2. So whenever we click this email, it will reference us to this mail. And this is for telephone, and this is for linking another HTML page. So the next HTML page is been linked with an image. So this is a clickable image. See, so I have given a image tag inside a anchor tag, so it becomes a clickable image, where image tag can be given by image source and then the link of the image, and followed by the height and the width of the image. And this is another text which says clickable image to CV. So I have embedded a CV with it. So this is second heading, and these are the types of heading like I previously said, from H1 to H6. So now I have created a table which is of border 4 pixel and it is aligned to center. So this TR means table row. So it basically creates a table row, and TD means these are cells. So there are 4 TDs, which means there are 4 cells. So this is a row 1 cell, row 2 column 2 cell, row 1 column 3 cell, and this is row span 4. What basically row span does is it combines 4 rows from the cell which you are giving. So if you are giving it in the 4th cell, so when you will see the 4th column, it would have combined the 4 rows into one row. And similarly, call span combines two column into one column. So that is what basically the row span and column spans function is. And this is UL. UL means this is a list tag. So UL means unordered list and OL means ordered list. So in unordered list, it gives different kind of symbols like a bulletin, just normal circle bulletin or a square bulletin, or if we want we can insert a image as a small bulletin. But in order list we have to specify the type, like if we are specifying it with type small a, the list will be like small a, b, c, and if we like initialize it with the type capital A, then it will give us a capital A, capital B, or we can initialize it with Roman numbers also. So these tags are just for listing out different things. And the last one is like go to the subheading. This is like a section tag. Like when we click go to the subheading 1, it is referencing us to the hashtag S1. So this hashtag S1 has been initialized over above here with our ID S2. So when we click to this go to subheading 1, the page will redirect us to this section of the page. So that is why we are using this H referencing hashtag S1. So we can like move up and down inside a section of a page itself. So we just doesn't need to hover around. So whenever we need any place, wherever we want to go to the particular section of inside a HTML page, we can just reference it through an anchor tag and just self-reference it with this hashtag S1 along with inserting the ID number for the other tags where we have to section out. So let's check the output. So this is how the output looks like with a heading tag, and this is the smaller heading, and this is a heading which is even more smaller. This is a paragraph, and here are email and phone which is of anchor tag, and this is an image which is a clickable image, and this is a row column which has been composed inside a table, and these are the lists, and this is the section. See, when I clicked, it went to the above part. So that's all for experiment 1. Thank you.